Hello everybody out there in YouTube land, this is Tyler. I want to wish every single person a happy new year. And I just want to say to every single person that I hope that you enjoy your New Year's Day, and just as well as your New Year's evening will turn out real good as well. And I hope and I wish that you will have a great and awesome and blessed 2018 year. And I just want to simply say to all of those who probably felt like that they have had a disastrous 2017 year that was full of obstacles, full of naysayers sitting there saying you can't do this, you can't do this, or probably some unknown situation that probably knocked you out for the count. And I want to simply say to all of you people that it is never too late to get back up again, and it's never too late to bounce back, because this is your greatest time and opportunity to bounce back in 2018 year of this year. And the reason why I say that is simply because this is a new beginning and this is a new era of you, but it's all up to you and all up to your mindset. And I will simply say to you that you have the faith, you have the courage to get out here, and whatever mission, whatever goal, whatever dream, or whatever that you are focusing on improving for the good, you can do it. Just like that Nike logo sit there and said, just do it. Just get out here and do it. It might be a couple of obstacles on the way, but like I sit there and say, you have the faith to overcome it. You have the belief to overcome those type of obstacles in the way. And those naysayers that sit there and want to say that you can't do it, this is your greatest opportunity to go to work, to make them think that there ain't nothing that ain't happening and everything. And so I give all of you the encouragement that felt like that your 2017 year wasn't as good as it was. Make 2018 year as a comeback and a bounce back year for you, and a shocker year for you. But you have to believe and put your focus and your mindset on it, people. You always have to. And I just want to also give a shout out to all of my followers and all of my subscribers that found me and discovered me on YouTube, rather it was through Twin Flames, or rather it might have been through self-help or personal development or common knowledge. It does not make no difference. I want to simply say to all of you, thank you for so very much for taking the time to subscribe into this channel and looking at this content on here that I put out to all of you people, so it can be beneficial to all of you. And the reason why I say that is simply because if it was not for you, this channel would have not grown just the way as it's going and the pace that it is. And I want to simply say thank you so very much for being a faithful follower and a faithful subscriber. Some of you I know, and some a whole lot of you that I don't even know at all. But I thank all of you so very much for your grateful and faithful support on this channel. Thank you so very much. And I just want to give a shout out to some YouTubers that I am subscribed to. And I'm asking my followers, please go take the time to go visit these people's channels. And you like it, please subscribe to their channel. The first YouTuber that I want to say Happy New Year's to is Amari from Tribal Unity Organization. You don't understand how much your content has really been powerful to me, and I really enjoy your content on your channel. And I want to simply say to you, Happy New Year to you, Amar. And for all of those who want to visit his channel, you can click on the description link down below. And I want to say Happy New Year's to a new person that I just discovered not too long ago, which was a recommendation from someone else that I'm subscribed to, is Arlo Monk. And I have to sit here and I want to say to you, Happy New Year, Arlo. And I want to sit here and say to you, if you are watching this video, that I really enjoy what you say, because it seems like you just tell it like it is. You're just straight up forward and truthful from everything what you have. So for all of those who want to visit his channel, I'm asking you, click on the description link down below. And I want to go to the next YouTuber that I want to give a shout out and a happy new year is Kendrick Celestin. And I really enjoy looking at your content as well. And I thank you for all of the content and the videos that you have put out as well. And I just want to say Happy New Year to you, and that you will enjoy your 2018 year, Kendrick. And for those who want to visit Kendrick Celestin's YouTube channel, you can click on the description link down below. And then the last but least that I want to give a recommendation to is Happy New Year, Real Deal. And I want to simply say to you, keep on putting those videos out, because I love watching your videos, and I enjoy watching your videos very much. And I want to wish you a blessed and a happy new year as well. And for all of those who want to visit his channel, is to click on the description link down below. And the last but least is my best friend, the Self Nation, that I hope that you will get back doing your videos as well. And I just want to wish you a happy new year, Self Nation, my best friend. And I just want to simply say happy new year to every single person. And I'm closing this video, and I am out.